Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing something fun and we're incorporating the kids. So today we're going to try new fruits that the kids haven't tried. There's some that I haven't even tried. And usually part of the problem that us moms have is that we have a hard time getting our kids to eat healthy foods. They want what they want. They always want snacks. And one thing that I've incorporated is making it interesting and fun. And usually I'll try giving them variety and choosing between two. Or like today, we went to the market, picked out these fruit, and they were very excited to do this video. So what are we going to start with?
This one.
You want to try this one first?
Yeah.
They say sweet and juicy, and they're called Rambutan. I think I'm pronouncing that right. Can you see? Rambutan.
Yeah.
I called them sea urchins because we were reading a book about sea otters eating sea urchins, and they look just like the pictures. So these are fuzzy.
Yeah.
They don't feel like pear. They're a little tougher than that. And it looks like on the directions you need to slice it in half and then eat the inside. So we're not eating the fuzzies. And we're going to try to slice this open. I got my little cutting board here, knife. And I'm going to slice. I guess you could slice all the way through, but the way the picture showed it was to keep it whole. I've never had this. It says family of the lychee. There we go. You know what this reminds me of? Those chapsticks that came in like a capsule and you open it and then you just... That's what it looks like. All right, here we go. We're going to try it all at the same time.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
That's super delicious.
There's a little pit in the middle, so don't eat the pit. Okay?
Why?
Because you're not supposed to eat the pit.
I ate it.
Is the pit?
When I first tried it, it's delicious, but now it's feeling that kind of gross.
Why?
I don't think it's delicious.
It's really sweet. I'm going to try to nudge it out. I'll eat around the pit. Connell's the only one that said he didn't like it. Next fruit we're going to try is a dragon fruit. Like a dragon egg.
Yeah.
It's pink on the outside. Kind of looks like it has these little petals or something like that. We might need a spoon to eat it. So this is what it looks like on the inside. We're going to eat into it like a bowl. Should mommy try first? Who wants to try first? Want to try first? Okay, I'll give you a tiny bit. All right, Kiki's turn. What do you think, Keeks?
Yeah. If you don't like it, spit it out.
All right, my turn.
If you don't like it, spit it out.
I'm gonna say I don't care for it. It has kind of a little bit of a sour taste.
I like it. I don't like it.
The Rambutan was better. That one was sweet. This has more of a tartness.
No, I like it.
You like it? Next fruit, we have guava. Every time I've had guava in the past, it's been already like pureed. I don't know if you eat the skin or not. This is what it looks like on the inside. And I guess we'll spoon it out because I don't know if you can eat the skin.
Why?
I'm sure you can, but
No, club mine.
Mommy don't like it.
Let me try it.
There's a lot of hard seeds. I'm trying to not give you the seeds. Because they're not biteable. I don't think Kana will like this. Kana's my picky eater.
Why this,
It's the seeds that's getting me.
Ew, it's a good thing.
I think
I
it's better used like in a smoothie or something.
I like it.
But it's not as good as
I like it.
what I've had in the past. Pear wants to open the melon next. This is called a honeydew.
Honeydew.
It's green on the inside.
So let's cut it.
And part of the melon family.
Let's cut it. Watermelon
So we eat the skin. We eat the inside.
Yeah, it's just like a watermelon.
It's in the middle, so we scoop out the seeds.
That's so much seeds. Or we have to eat the seeds.
Now we're going to cut it into slices like we do the watermelon. Okay, grab a piece of melon.
Okay, I'm going to grab it. Cow time. Three, two, one.
One.
I got. You don't like all the food.
I know, you're like 0 for 4 here. I'm feeling, because I've had honeydew before, I'm feeling like these fruit aren't ripe enough. Because I like honeydew. But this is not sweet. And it's supposed to be sweet. We got kiwis.
Kiwi, the yellow one.
Yes, so usually I get green kiwis. But I saw these that said they're sweeter and have extra vitamin C. We're going to cut it down the middle again.
Yeah.
Sun
Gold. Well.
This is what's inside.
It's yellow.
All right, who wants to try?
Go
Who
ahead.
gets the first scoop?
Oh. Oh.
Kyle, you don't like it?
Yes.
You didn't even try it. That's not fair. You guys are saying ill before it even hits your tongue. What do you think, Kiara?
Good.
Oh, mommy likes it.
I like it.
It's very sweet.
It's not the first one.
It is sweeter than a green kiwi. So now we have a red pear. And it's like a regular pear, but red. And we're going to see if it's a different taste. Time to slice the pear. Looks juicy.
Oh.
All right, I'll get the big slice. I like it.
This looks real. It feels like apple, but little different. I would say this feels like apple.
Yeah, do you like it? Do you like the taste? You like the taste?
Yeah. Everyone likes the taste.
4 out of 4, yay! I think it's similar to the green, but maybe a little sweeter. We have one more.
It's the coconut.
So usually what they say is to poke a hole in it so that you could take out the water, because there's coconut water. Listen. Let's let them hear. So let me see if I could poke a hole first, and then we'll try to crack it. I made a hole in one of the 3 here.
Oh,
I'm gonna pour it in.
it says water.
Yeah, coconut water. Seems like this one has a lot. Coconut water is really good for you. It has electrolytes. You can try the water, and then you can try the actual fruit.
Good.
I'm getting a workout here, trying to get this water out. My arm is like tired. You know it's a healthy coconut when it has a lot of water. I've gotten some in the past, and they're either like really old or expired, and they don't have a lot of water, or the water is murky. This one's nice and clear. No, we got to get it all out. In order to crack it, we need to get it all out. So we got a whole 8 ounces out of that coconut. That's crazy. You want to try it now?
Yeah.
Put a straw in.
And drink it.
Take a sip.
It tastes like.
Oh, it's yummy. Try a sip.
Yum.
Try it.
Oh, delicious.
Try it, Kiki.
Huh?
What do you think?
Good.
You guys like it?
Yeah.
This is a really good coconut. Very healthy.
Let's do this one now.
All right, we got to crack it open now. We got a cracked coconut. Didn't crack all in the bottom, but on the top it did. Some pieces flew out. So I'm gonna try to dismantle this a little bit. Cut open.
Oh.
We got some pieces out that we can chew on.
It
So these are hard pieces that you just chew on.
Because
But it's hard. You gotta chew on it with your back teeth. All you have to do is get a knife to go underneath, lift it up.
Oh, I opened. Ew.
Did you like it, Cow, or no?
No.
You don't like it?
Y'all likes it.
Well, you like other coconut stuff, like coconut milk.
Yeah, I like coconut milk.
But the fruit itself, hard, it's a preference. For me, mommy likes it. Kiki likes it, so it's 2 out of 4.
2 out of 4.
So let's review what we did. So first we did the Rambutan, the fuzzy fruit here.
Yeah.
Who liked this one? Raise your hand. 3 out of 4. Who liked the dragon fruit? 2 out of 4. Who liked the guava? You liked it, Kim?
Yeah, I like the candy.
2 out of 4. I don't know about the seeds. They need to be grinded. Then we did kiwis, yellow kiwis. These were really sweet. So who liked this one? Raise your hand. 4 out of 4. Then we did the honeydew melon.
I liked it.
Who liked it? Then we did the red pear, which is almost done. Who liked the red pear?
Me.
4 out of 4.
4.
So we got 4 out of 4 for the kiwi, the pear, and the melon.
Now it's the
And
coconut.
then the coconut. Who liked the coconut? Me and Kiki. So 2 out of 4.
We like the coconut water.
Oh yes, let's not forget about the coconut water, which is super sweet. So, have you tried these fruits before? Either yourself or with your kids? And are you willing to try something new? That's what we did today. Tried not to fear it, but try it first and see how we like it. And now that we know, we can start incorporating them into our grocery list because we know that we like them. Right?
Yeah.
Go away from just the usual routine. We were just getting strawberries, bananas, oranges, and apples, and blueberries, basically. That was really the most of fruit that we would buy, occasionally grapes.
Yeah,
And now we know that we like these other new fruits.
Yeah.
So try it out yourself. Check out the description below for the names of these fruits and maybe where you can find them. We bought all of these in Walmart, but you know, everybody has a different Walmart or whatever. Or maybe you don't have one close to you.
Oh, the guy.
But if you like this video, what should they do?
Like and
Like it and subscribe. Hit that little bell so that you can be notified every time we upload. Until next time, we're going to say come on, let's give it to us. So it might stay stuck like that. Might have to
Agato. Agato. Agato.